Happy morning, dear children, and welcome to our today's English class. Our today's topic is 12th English portions for revision tests 1 and 2. Now let us proceed to the topics. Revision test 1 topics are prose, Two Gentlemen of Verona, supplementary, God sees the truth but waits, grammar, tenses, modal auxiliaries, reported speech. These topics are from the portions done in the month of November. Portions done in the month of December are poem, Our Casuarina Tree, grammar, prepositions, prepositional phrases, conjunctions, connectives or linkers. So based on the units or topics done in the month of November and December, revision test 1 will be held. Copy all these topics in your classwork and prepare the book back exercises too. Now proceeding to revision test 2 portions. This will be based on the portions done in the month of January and February. Topics are prose, In Celebration of Being Alive, poem, All the World's a Stage, grammar, active and passive voice, interrogatives or questioning sentences, poem, Ulysses, supplementary, The Midnight Visitor, grammar, conditional clauses and transformation of sentences, that is simple, compound, complex. Dear children, besides this revision test 1 and test 2 portions, you go through all the book back exercises for the prescribed topics too. Note down the topics in your classworks and prepare thoroughly all topics so that you can appear for your examination confidently. Okay children, I hope this video was very useful to you. Yes, so we shall meet in our next class with another new topic. All these topics have been done for you. Prepare thoroughly and confidently. Thank you children. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.